So in After Effects, go into the composition options and click Add to Media Encoder Queue. After that, make sure the H.264 format is selected and tweak the rest of your settings how you want them. I suggest using the YouTube presets. Press OK and click this green button to export your video. If you want a more detailed guide on what each setting and value does, check out this guide right here. If you have a Premiere project and you want to use After Effects composition in that project, you can go into Premiere's File Settings, then select Adobe Dynamic Link and click Import After Effects Composition. After locating your project, select the composition you wish to import. Now you can use After Effects composition as a regular video clip and render it that way. Feel free to suggest ideas in the comments below, like and subscribe for now.